I wish the old-fashioned Shoyu Ramen street food shops in Japan never disappear. You can make this fantastic dish at home and still get the same sensations. The broth is rich in umami flavor and the noodles are tasty with a tender and chewy texture. Here are the ingredients for 8 people. Start by preparing the broth. Cut 1 onion in half, 1 slice of ginger, tie a spring onion, peel a piece of white radish, and 3 cloves of garlic. To get more umami, prepare 1 teaspoon of small dry shrimp, 1/4 of Chinese cabbage, 1 shiitake mushroom, and 5 grams of kombu seaweed. In a pot, put 1 hen because it can cook for a long time. It will give a delicious taste and a beautiful color to the broth. 1 piece of pork. All the preparation, except the small dry shrimp that I will put only after having removed the foam. 1½ tablespoon of salt, 6 centiliters of soy sauce, 4 liters of water. Without forgetting 1 peeled carrot, heat over high heat with a lid. Meanwhile, make the umami enriched soy sauce. In a small saucepan, put 2 grams of kombu seaweed, 3 dry anchovies, and 5 centiliters of water. To infuse them, heat them over low heat. Just before boiling, turn up the heat. Add 8 centiliters of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 teaspoon of apple vinegar. Combine and let infuse. You can also prepare this sauce the day before and keep it in the fridge. After 30 minutes, the foam appears. Remove it. Add the small dry shrimp. Turn on medium-low heat and let simmer with the lid for 3 hours. Now prepare the bamboo shoots. Cut them into thin slices. Boil them in water for 10 minutes to remove their bitterness. Prepare the bamboo seasoning sauce. In a bowl, put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Combine. Drain the bamboo. In the frying pan, heat it over high heat. Put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, put the bamboo. Stir for 1 minute. Add the seasoning sauce. Occasionally stir for 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Briefly stir and turn off the heat. Keep aside. The broth is still simmering. Cook the eggs. Gently put them in boiling water. Let them cook for 8 minutes. Take them out and put them in cold water to stop the cooking. Mince 1 white leek, one spring onion, cut 1 sheet of nori seaweed into small squares. Peel the eggs. After 2 hours, remove the pork. Let the broth simmer for another hour. Let the pork rest for 15 minutes. Cut it into slices of about 5 mm thick. After 3 hours, remove the ham and the vegetables from the broth. Keep them for another meal. The fresh noodles used for this soup are often wavy. You can watch my video to learn how to prepare them. For each bowl, put a portion of noodles in boiling water. Briefly stir. Cook on medium heat for 1 minute and 30 seconds. In each bowl, put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce enriched with umami, 1 tablespoon of minced leek, 2 large ladles of boiling broth, take the noodles out and drain them well. Gently put them in a bowl. Top with the pork slices, ½ an egg, some bamboo shoots, 1 tablespoon of spring onion, a piece of nori, and some ground black pepper. Enjoy without delay. Bon appétit! The first spoonful of broth is decisive. You know immediately if it is successful and if you are going to enjoy it. To enjoy all the flavors of the dish, be noisy while eating. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.